Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use diced mozzarella cheese. Start by understanding its quick-melting nature, making it perfect for dishes needing a gooey, cheesy finish. This versatile ingredient adds creamy texture and flavor to countless meals. You can easily sprinkle about 1/4 cup over hot food or incorporate it into recipes for a delicious, cheesy boost, enhancing flavor and texture. Diced mozzarella shines in many cooked applications. Try layering it into your favorite baked pasta dishes, like a hearty lasagna, for an irresistible, melty center. It's also fantastic for filling quesadillas, creating a gooey, savory experience. For pizzas, spread about 1 cup evenly over the sauce before baking to achieve that perfect, bubbly, golden crust. To achieve the best melt, add your diced mozzarella towards the end of the cooking process, typically during the last 5 to 10 minutes. This prevents it from becoming too oily or rubbery. For dishes like casseroles, cover briefly to help it melt evenly. A good rule of thumb is to use about 1/2 cup per serving for a satisfyingly cheesy layer. Don't limit yourself to just pizzas and pasta. Diced mozzarella is excellent for creative culinary adventures. Try mixing it directly into meatballs or meatloaf before cooking for extra moisture and a delightful cheesy surprise. You can also stuff it into chicken breasts or bell peppers, baking until golden. It's a simple way to elevate everyday meals with a delicious, melty twist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.